the main and basic document of local self-government is European Charter of Local Self-Government. Charter was drafted and adopted by Council of Europe structures, and actually was open to signature, I think, in 1985. Ukraine signed Charter 2. So Charter is part of our legislation, the European country. Basic principles of the European Charter. The principle of local self-government shall be recognized in domestic legislation and, where practicable, in the Constitution. It's normally, because if you have some powers, you should have guarantee in legislation. Rights of communities should be enshrined in law. Maybe it will be legislation like Constitution, maybe some other act, but not local acts, high-level acts. Citizens should have right to participate in managing public affairs. Local communities should have right to elect their local bodies. It's normal. Local bodies should have their own competence, administrative structure, and financial resources. It's normal too, because if you want to do something, you should have possibilities to do it. So you should have competence, administrative structure, financial resources. Local representatives should be independent. This is important too. And actually, local self-government denotes the right and the ability of local authorities. Actually, the term local authorities has many different understanding in many different countries. And in UK, local authority is just council. In Montenegro, for example, local authority is a community and local council. In Ukraine, European country, local authority is just people.